In this video, I'm going to show you a balance challenge exercise that is interesting because we're actually never going to have the feet leave the ground in this one. And you can improve your balance with your feet staying on the ground because what we're going to be doing is challenging our vestibular system, that's the inner ear, and our visual system, as well as our proprioception, that's your awareness of your position in space, without the feet ever actually leaving the ground. The way we do this is we're going to split the feet apart, and the wider apart you can get the feet, the better. And then I'm going to pull the belly in. I'm going to make my leg muscles strong. I'm going to hold myself really steady. Then the arms go up, and if you need to bend the elbows a little to protect the shoulders, you can. Otherwise, the arms are straight, belly pulled in tight. If you feel unstable here already, hold on to a chair while you're doing this. I reach up. I look up toward the wall in front, or maybe start to look up toward the ceiling. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. As I look up and I look up, now that my gaze is up toward the ceiling, my various balance systems are really having to work to do this. I'm feeling my feet into the ground. The ultimate option here would be to start to lean back into an even a little bit of a back bend. You may not get there right away, but this is where you could work toward. Then I lower the arms back down, and then I repeat that. I would raise the arms up again, go again, and then I would switch to the other side. So there is another version to this that we can do, and that is I'm going to split the feet again, but this time I'm going to angle my foot out, and I'm going to bend this knee, reach toward the foot. I'm loading this leg. I feel a lot of strength work in this leg. Then I'm going to straighten the leg, and I'm back to this overhead position. So I reach up, I feel my balance, look forward or look up, or even all the way up to the ceiling, and then I'm going to move. I'm going to bend and lift up. Bend and lift up. And then of course I would switch sides. So anytime that you're taking your vision all the way up to the ceiling in a different place than normal, you're not looking to the ground, you're not looking straight ahead, you're going to be challenging your vision, your proprioception, your vestibular system, all those things are going to be challenged. And that is so important because our relationship to our environment, we're using our vision, we're using our vestibular system, all those things are going to be important for our balance. And balance is not just about not falling. Balance is also about your agility and your coordination for doing things that we love, like golf and tennis and pickleball and cycling and hiking and gardening and dancing. All those kinds of things involve our balance, agility, and coordination. And an exercise like this can really help you to keep those systems sharp. Subscribe for more tips like this, and I'll see you in the next video.